Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to perform a Xlookup function within Excel. So I've got some data points here on the left hand side. I've got student names, I've got the class they belong to, and the results they've got in a particular exam. So what I want to understand is what class is Rob in, and one way to do that is through an Xlookup function, and it's quite simple to do. All you need to do is type in equals Xlookup, open bracket, and now Excel will ask you for a few different inputs. The first input is what are you looking for? So what we're looking for is Rob. So that's the first thing you need to select. Then press comma. And then Excel is asking you the lookup array. So in other words, where should I be looking for Rob? And the answer to that is you should be looking in the name row or the name column. So select all the names as such. Then press comma again. And the third input as Excel is asking you for is what do you want to return? So we want to return the class. So again, what you need to do is select all the different classes. And then at this point, you can press enter, and there you go. Excel is giving you the result, which is green, and that's correct. And what you can do is you can drag it across to other fields, for example, result. And if I change that to a percentage, and as you can see, Excel has accurately identified that Rob is in the green class and has got 50% in his exam. But how about if there were multiple different results? For example, in our data, in the first exam, Rob got 50%, and in the second exam, as you can see, he got 80%. So what I want XLOOKUP to do for me now is to present the second or the most latest result and not the oldest one. So this is how we would do that. So our starting position would be the same as before. So equals XLOOKUP, open bracket. The first thing we're looking for is Rob, and we're looking for Rob in the name column here. And then we're looking for the result. So I'm going to select the results. And then Excel is going to ask you a few different points. So if not found, you can ignore that. So press comma again. Then it's asking you for the match mode. So we want an exact match. So you can press comma again. And then the final criteria is search mode. And this is where you need to change your search criteria. So we don't want the first to last. We want the last to first. So what you need to do is press -1 and then close the bracket and press enter. And as you can see, Excel has now given you the last to first result, which is 80%, rather than the first to last.